This is an idea that has been in the works for last, I would say 10-12 years, more so in my mind, where we have explored what does this non-violent economy really mean. It means non-violent to people, non-violent to nature, non-violent to earth. And the idea is that current models of economy right now are often very violent to people, consumers, producers, also earth. And so are there business models or approaches that we can create to create non-violence in the economy? So that's the basic idea.
And who's going to be there?
We are hoping to have, actually we have confirmation from Erica Shea, who's the CEO of New Dawn Enterprises. They run this amazing 20 plus enterprises in Cape Breton. They are almost, I think, 70-80 years old organization, and their whole purpose is to create social impact through these enterprises. And 90-95% of their budget is actually generated through their business revenue, and that's the amazing part. You don't have to rely on the grant to create social impact.
Who else?
We have Mary Jane Roger of Medway Community Forest Cooperative. They have been working on this land, 50,000 hectares of land that was left barren after the pulp mill closed, and they were given the lease to manage this forest land and regenerate that forest. But the key idea is that they have working on this hypothesis that you don't have to pitch forestry against economy. Can you create sustainable forest and sustainable livelihood at the same time? And so we'll hear from its CEO, Mary Jane Roger, about their experience in the last 9 years. So we have this amazing person, Canadian, but I think she's more Indian now, Dr. Jill, and she will be sharing with us numerous examples, mostly from southern India, of how different enterprises and businesses are taking non-violent economy approach in their practices. And each one is different. And she will present to us all their learning in the last 3-4 years since we have been really studying them more deeply.
So this is really about learning from practitioners, people that are already doing something?
Absolutely. And so what we have done, I think, is approaching this subject of non-violent economy from a practice point of view. We have some principles, but what we are trying to do is really learn from the practice and building theory around it. And so everyone who joins us in this workshop will have a chance to explore their own personal experiences and ideas of how they are practicing economy and they are seeing economy and how they might want to shift a few things to make it more non-violent.